We have been using Shiny scanners since the beginning. Before launching our solution 2 years ago, we tested different 3D scanners to find the best one for the job and for our customers. The EinScan H was the only scanner that checked all the necessary boxes. EinScan H has different modes and options available for different object sizes and context. However, in our case, we always use the same settings. Therefore, we wanted to simplify the interface by pre-configuring it with only one mode in order to standardize parameters and simplify the user experience for our customers. For us, the first version of EinScan H was already the best tool for the job. However, the H2 is even better. This will only reinforce its legitimacy in the industry.